Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Before we get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you all are having a marvelous day. And I also want to say thank you to those who have subscribed to my other channel, which I will leave the link to that in my description box. I really do appreciate it. So now I'm running 2 YouTube channels. So I have gotten a little bit behind on watching and commenting on other people's videos, but I will catch up. So this comes to me from One Day Savings, and they sent me a couple of things. I want to show this first. Now I will leave the link to these products, if they're still in stock, in my description box, along with all the codes and everything for their Black Friday sale that is running to, I think, the end of November. Yeah, November the 30th, I think, is their last day of it. So let me get into this. Now, what this is a desktop. Let's see, it is called special shaped Christmas tree table decoration. Okay, so this is the one that I have been waiting for because I love the silver and blue. So what this is acrylic. And as you can see, there's nothing on the one side, but on this side, you peel the plastic back and you put everything on this front side. It's very sticky, and it comes with an acrylic base. And once you get finished with this, you just stick this down in there. It stands on your desk for a desktop decor. So let's look at the drills. So this is listed on One Day Savings for $9.99, and there are 10 different styles that you can choose from. So here is the great big half pearl, and they will go, I'm sure, right here on these bees. So there's those, very pretty. And then we've got some smaller half pearls. And then we've got some brown blue. We've got the small silver, more blue, and then a lighter blue. So these are the colors. Very pretty. This won't take long at all. This would be a great gift for someone who is just starting out, or this would make a great gift for you to do for somebody to give as a gift. And it also comes with your standard toolkit, which is your single placer pink pen, your green boat, and a plate of wax. So there is that. The next thing that I have, I'm just going to go ahead and pull these last 2 items out and pitch that noisy bag. So y'all, now my kids grew up watching this cartoon, and I always liked it. So when I seen it, I was like, oh, I got to get that. So this is the RugRats. And it comes with your standard toolkit, which I just mentioned. It does come with these, the little bags of 200. We got a lot of white. We've got some yellow, some purple, and a lot of browns. Not as much color in it as I thought. So, So let me go ahead, roll this back a little bit. I thought the colors would be a little bit more vibrant, and it might be once I do this. Let me get this flattened out just a little bit more. So I used to love watching this cartoon with my kids. When it first came out, my son was a kid. And then my daughter, she started watching it. So this is a 30 by 30. It has 19 colors. They are all in using the alphabet. And it does have the DMC numbers listed. So we have a schematic in the top left, bottom right, with the thumbnail. Alright. Very clear. Very sticky. And can y'all name all the characters? If you know the characters' names, leave it in my comments. I just want to see who can remember all of the characters. Alright, so Onedaysaving has this listed on their website for $4.91. And I think it's just really cute. So, yeah, there's some purples. And there's nothing on here indicating that this goes to this bag. So I guess that's going to be the hair. I really thought there would be like yellow in here. So it just looks like it's like a, I don't know, it looks more yellow in my camera than it does on the bags. So we'll see. So there's that one. And then the last item that I got was this. And I'm not real sure about this. I did not realize this was going to be a double-sided adhesive. Comes with a regular toolkit. Here are the colors. It is a round. And it is a full round. It does have the canvas number right there. So that way if you separate your drills. Oh no, this ain't no double-sided. They just have it wrapped that way. Okay. It has a little foam round thing in it. But this is called a stained glass free sticker, 30 by 30. And this is listed for $21.35 on their website. And there are 5 different styles. It's if you want all 5 of them, it's $21.35. But I'll have to look and see how much it is. I'll put it in the description box on how much it is for individuals. So this is what it looks like. So I am going to, very sticky, very, very, very sticky. I'm going to pull this back a little bit, see if I can't flatten it, because I'm almost scared to roll it backwards. So I'm really not sure what it will do, being that it's a sticker. I'm going to say it's probably, oh, I don't know. I don't even want to say what I'm thinking, because I don't know. I think you can roll it back on itself, but I'm not sure. So this is the one that I got. It has 10 colors, and it does have the DMC numbers on there, but there's only 10 colors, so. But it's very clear. You can see the drill field is very clear. And it has there's 20 colors. My bad. I didn't see that. So part of the schematic is up here on the top, and then the rest of it's down here on the bottom. But I think it's going to be real pretty once it's done. And then there is the canvas number, which goes with the bag of drills. So, what do y'all think of this? You're supposed to be able, when you get done with this, you're supposed to be able to put this on your window. Or, I guess you could put it wherever you want to, but it's a big sticker. So, you would take and peel this off, if I can. Alright. There we go. See? It's a sticker. But you should be able to peel this off, stick it wherever you want. And I'm thinking, I might be wrong, but you should be able to peel it back off and re-stick it. I'm not real sure. So, like I said, this for all 5, if you was to order all 5, is $21.35. Because when I looked at that, I was like, I hope that I did not give $21 for this. So, like I said, I will leave in my description box how much it is for an individual one. I'm sure it's no more than, you know, $5, $6, $7 anyway. So, this is what I got from One Day Savings. So, what is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? And, like I said, if you can tell me who all the names of the characters are, leave it in my comments. And let me know, did you watch it? Did your kids watch it? Grandkids, whatever. So, alright, y'all. So, I want to say thank you to One Day Savings for sending these to me to share with all of y'all. Links will be in the description box along with the promo codes for the Black Friday sale. And, yeah, I think these are going to turn out really well. So, alright, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. And check out my other YouTube channel and subscribe there also. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.